We had a huge storm last night. All the light. That storm cost me 4 lights. At $41 a piece. I don't think I can replace them right now. That one was broke. I fixed it. It's gonna stay the way it is right now. This one is cool. But man, we're about 25 feet up in the air. Let me get down so I don't bust my ass. When you live in the country, you gotta deal with the heavy storm, high wind, lightning, you name it. But 4 lights, 4 of my lights broke, and my bird feed that I paid $10 for, I'm pissed. Hell yeah, I'm pissed. Now I gotta go check that light up there. I know it's bent up. Maybe that one didn't break. But as you can see, all the bracket that was holding that light is broke. That one is good. That one is good. But one of them is flat against the damn tree. You see what the wind did? That's crazy. You see how it pushed the light against the tree? That's not how it's supposed to be. Now I gotta grab the ladder and bring it down. The storm cost me $41 a piece. 4 lights. That's about $184. 164, 4, 80, 80, 160. Damn, man. $164. That damn fucking rain cost me.